So what you're looking at here is our vegetation processing operation. It is operated by a specialist contractor, Australian Native Landscapes, or ANL. It receives garden and wood waste. You can see a big pile of wood waste over on the left-hand side over there. You can see it looks mostly pallets and fencing, that sort of thing. The wood must be unpainted and untreated. You can't process painted or treated wood through here. You can see the garden waste down there. There's a few cars unloading, often mix of contractors and residences. We also have council provides a Greenway or garden waste collection service to the residents here, and a lot of that material, all that material comes here. It's separately unloaded on the right hand side, a bit near where this truck is. Immediately behind the big pile of deposited garden waste, you can possibly just see the top of a conveyor belt, and there's material discharging from that after it's being shredded. And you might be able to see just on the right hand side, there is a excavator with a grab on it down there loading a shredder. So the shredding operation is occurring. After that initial shredding, material is put into windrows, and you can see the windrows at the back end of the area there, all in nice neat rows. And just on the right hand side there, the big yellow piece of plant, that's actually a specific piece of equipment called a Windrow Turner, and it regularly turns the windrows to maintain the aerobic conditions required for composting. Down the back on the left hand side, you can see the product screening area or the product processing area. Again, you can see that they're actually processing material there through a screen and conveyor belt, and there's piles of product there. And from there, the product then goes off site. A bit more on the left hand side over there, behind the wood pile, you can see just lots of shredded wood, and that's essentially just mulch product, and that's then either goes off site for sale. All the stormwater runoff from this area is collected by a drainage system, and at the back left hand corner of the site there is a stormwater dam that's geosynthetic lined. The water's all collected down there, and then the water's reused back on the composting operation. Moisture content's obviously very critical for composting. Typically this facility receives around about 100,000 tonnes of material per year. It does fluctuate obviously, but that's about right. And I just want to reiterate, we don't take there's no manufactured wood here, no plywood, none of the chipboard and stuff that kitchens are made of, and that they use, because of all the glues and things, you can't have it going back into this area.